How to change email in SquareUp account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change email in the SquareUp account. For this, you want to open any web browser, then search for squareup.com. Then it will take you to another web page. Now, on this website, make sure that you have signed into your SquareUp account. Once you have signed in, click on your username. Then click on the account setting option. Once you do that, over here you're going to find your current email. Now, if you want to change it, click on the update option. Then, to change your email address, you will have to enter your new email address. Enter your email address one more time for confirmation below. Once you have entered it, you want to click on the continue option. Now, a verification email will be sent to the new email that you have entered. All you have to do now is open that email, then click on the link that says verify account. As soon as the verification is completed, you can click on the close button. Now you can refresh the page, and now as you can see, the email address has been changed and verified. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.